welcome back to Kirk Kooks. Bit of a different one today, a little bit of fun. We're going to delve into the world of Fallout. Pretty big Fallout fan myself. A friend of mine got me this for my birthday a couple of years back. I've cooked a few bits out of it. I thought today we would cook the Yumyum Deviled Eggs. It's not too complicated, this one. First thing we need obviously is a pan, because we've got to boil some eggs. To that pan we want to add 6 eggs. We'll cover these in boiling water. Put them on a medium heat. Then you want to bring them to the boil. What, about 8 minutes it says in the book, so we're going to leave those for 8 minutes once they come to the boil. Okay, so they've boiled. We just need to drain these off now and get them under some cold water. Just want to leave these running under cold water for a little bit, just cool them down quick. Then you want to bring these back, take them out of the water, add them into a bowl with some ice, and just add a bit more cold water into there. And just leave these to cool down for a little while. This will stop the cooking process really quick and make sure these don't overcook. Okay, I think they will have had long enough to cool now, so we just need to get the shells off of these now. Try and do this as carefully as possible so you don't really take any chunks out the egg or anything. This will take me a little while, so we'll either fast forward here or we'll skip forward. I do remember seeing a thing online where if you take the bottom and the top off and then blow really hard, the egg just comes out. Almost worked, look. There's only a little bit left on the bottom. Well, that has actually split the egg. Great. Never mind, we'll salvage that somehow. Don't do that. Last one. So that gives us 6. Mostly whole eggs, except for the one which I tried to blow out. Didn't work. Never mind. So the next thing you want to do, cut these in half. That's the one that we broke a little bit. Put all those to one side. Okay, so then you want to get a bowl with half a cup of mayonnaise in it. To that mayonnaise we want to add 1 tablespoon of white miso. And we want to take all the egg yolks out and add those in here too. Then we need to mix all this together, smash all these eggs up until all this is smooth. I think it might be easy to do this with a fork. Just got to really smash up all those egg yolks. Okay, so once you've got all the egg yolks, the miso and the mayonnaise mixed together, time to start adding some flavour to this. First thing you want is a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne chili pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of ground mustard, and then the final ingredient is 1/4 teaspoon of ground fennel. Now, I've only got fennel seeds, so I'm going to have to grind these myself. I'm going to put some in here. I think we'll call that done. So then we just want 1/4 teaspoon of this. And that goes in our bowl. So now once again we just want to get all this nice and mixed together. And And then you just want to start taking this and putting it back into your eggs. You can pipe this if you want, but it's a lot easier just to do this. But if you want it to look a bit fancier, you've got a piping bag, pipe it. And then the last thing to do with this is just garnish it with a bit of fresh chives. Just give them a little sprinkling. And there you have it, our completed Fallout Yumyum Deviled Eggs. So obviously if we're going to eat from the world of Fallout, we need some sort of drink from the world of Fallout. It's Nuka Cola. Now the recipe for Nuka Cola is in this book, and it's not incredibly in depth, but it's more than I can be able to do to make a soft drink, to be quite honest with you. I mean, prep time 12 hours, cook time 30 minutes, and that'll give you a few glasses of Nuka Cola, I guess. So, close this. There's actually a method online which uses 3 ingredients, which apparently tastes a lot like there's Nuka Cola in the book. 1/3 Coca-Cola, 1/3 Sprite or Mountain Dew, and 1/3 cream soda. So I figured we'll go with that one because it's really quick and easy. Going to go with 100 millilitres Coca-Cola, 100 millilitres Sprite, and 100 millilitres cream soda. Now if we just get out a quick mix, that is supposed to give you something that tastes very similar to the recipe in the book really quickly for a quick Nuka Cola. Oh man, tastes like an ice cream float. Just the cream soda is really strong in that, it just tastes like an ice cream float. So let's give our deviled eggs a try as well, eh? Let's go with this one. They're actually they're really good. I'll tell you what, I don't think living in the wasteland would be all that bad. The Nuka Cola's good. The Yumyum Deviled Eggs are good. I guess we'll have to have another look in here soon, make this sort of like maybe a little mini series and do a few more recipes from the world of Fallout. Quite like the look of the mole wrap wonder dip, that looks pretty nice. Iguana on a stick, Mile Lake claw cakes, Blamco mac and cheese, Death Claw pies. So yeah, you get the picture. There's a lot of stuff in this book from Fallout, which they've obviously took a little twist on it and made it so obviously you're not using Death Claw, we ain't got Death Claw, but they find meats and they do it, and it's like for the Mile Lake, it's salmon. For the iguana, it's duck. Death Claw is pork. So yeah, I think we might do a few more recipes out of this book along the next few months or whatever. We might revisit this every now and again. Yeah, this deviled eggs, really quick one just to give the book a try. They're really nice. Really little mild bit of a heat probably coming from the mustard and the cayenne chili pepper in there. So much flavour in it, to be honest with you. I just feel like how easy that was. So much flavour packed into it. Really is ridiculously good for like such a simple recipe, and I'll tell you what, this is actually really nice too. Maybe if people do like doing a few things from the Fallout series, we could give the actual Nuka Cola one a try at some point, but obviously it's going to take me quite a while to do that one if it takes 12 hours. Yeah, I'll tell you what, these eggs, I want to go eat one more, I need to stop, but they're really good. And really, really good. So yeah, Fallout, Yumyum Deviled Eggs and quick and easy Nuka Cola. So that will be everything for today. Like I say, we'll give this another try in the future. For now, I'm going to go get these in the fridge, and I'll catch you next time. again, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Pizza Wednesday.
Michelangelo, what did we tell you about eating jelly bean and sausage pizza?
Strawberry surprise pizza with anchovy sauce.
Peanut butter and clams is an acquired taste.
Anchovies and bananas.